Here is example 3, our last one, from hyperbolas. So write the equation in standard form. Notice on this one, I'm not worried. Let's not worry about the sketch, but let's rearrange it. Let's make it look like our standard form. And honestly, once it's in standard form, from our previous examples, making a sketch, identifying the center, the vertices isn't a big deal anyway. So let's go ahead and rearrange this. Notice I wrote standard form underneath just to remind us what that's going to look like. I did the x first because it came first, minus the y squared. So let's go ahead and group. These are already kind of grouped. So let's get it ready to complete the square like we've done before. So we've got x squared plus 2x plus something. I like to leave myself a little box there. I'm going to write it this way. Minus 4, kind of like we did with ellipses. Remember we had to factor there. The x part here was nice. We didn't have to. Sometimes you will. Let's factor that 4 out. So when I factor 4 out of 8, that would leave a minus 2 in there. Whoops. I don't want that parenthesis though. Plus something so we can complete the square. And then equals negative 7. Let's just take that over to the other side. Okay, let's complete the square. Sorry about that. So half of 2 is 1 squared. Let's add a 1 to both sides. Half of 2, again, is still 1. But this time, remember, it's a negative 4 times that. So we actually just subtracted 4. So let's subtract 4 over there. And I just caught something else. That was a negative 7 there. So we need to add it to both sides. So let's make that a positive 7 right there. Okay, let's factor this down. So nice perfect squares we just created. X plus 1 squared minus 4 times y minus 1 squared. Again, the sign there is why that's a minus. The minus in the middle, that would be a y right there. Equals 7 plus 1, so 8 minus 4, so equals 4. Now we're really close. Let's divide that 4 through the whole thing, and that will put it in standard form for us. So we've got x plus 1 squared over 4 minus y minus 1 squared. Notice that'll just divide out. We could put it over 1 if you like. Normally we wouldn't. We'd just leave it that way. But if I wanted to sketch the graph or something, it helps to picture there is a 1 over there. And there is that hyperbola in standard form. Again, we could get the center real easy and go make a sketch if we wanted to, but just want to feel comfortable completing the square there.